So the story goes, Alice, Alice, heart and soul fell into a rabbit hole. Dreamers dream until they don't, lost her mind a while ago. Alice, Alice, don't you know Wonderland was all a hoax? Made it up so she could cope. Might have then had her Alice broke. Alice stayed at home, losing track of time, staring at the ceiling. She escaped into her mind. Like the Cheshire cat, the ceiling faced to black, and in